We here at Fort Giotto. Have a good day, my man. And yeah, let me show y'all my brother's Hellcat Charger because it's sitting right here. This joint's so top level, man. Shout out to my guys here at Fort Giotto. All the information is in the description below. So make sure you go get your 4Gs, man. And we're doing a giveaway real soon. So make sure you subscribe to Top of the Mook Podcast. Links in the description below. We're going to be doing a giveaway with my old Hellcat rims. Damn, did I just spill the beans? And my dog, Mr. Organik, will be giving away his too. Y'all ready to see these wheels? My man Arnold right here. What's happening with you, baby? How you been, man? Ooh, there them things go right there, Arnold. Damn. Oh yeah, top level, top of the Mook. Look at these joints. So obviously, these are gonna be the front two rims right here, right? And we got that fan right there. Hopefully they ain't messing up the wind noise. If it is, my bad, y'all. But these are gonna be the front two rims, and these are gonna be the back two rims. And these joints is top level. Look at the psychedelic with that zoom in on that sway. Look at that. And then hold on, don't think that it floats. I think it floats like the.
You gotta move it, yeah.
You gotta move it?
You gotta move
This is one. I ain't even got this one. How you do it? Damn. Top of the Mook, top of the Mook. Y'all see that? Ooh. Yeah, this joint's crazy. All in the, man, come on, man, the attention to detail. They even got it on the F. This joint is nuts. Look right here, Sway Money. That joint cold. The F is even glistening on, boy. The outer shell of the star with the Hellcat. Is that a good touch or is that a good touch? Am I that nigga or am I that nigga, man?
Damn. Is it?
Yeah, I'm it, bro. Look.
I'm going hard, buddy.
Say what's up to the vlog, brother.
What's good? What's good? You always got me on camera on the phone.
I know. You might have said something. Incriminate yourself. No, I'm just playing.
Get you in trouble. Spin it for me. Let me see it.
No, you can't. This one you don't spin. See, I tried that too. I failed miserably. Right? So what it does is it floats on the standstill. Like when it's just when the actual. See, let me move so I don't hit the rim tight. Boom. Boom. So what?
That's cool.
That's that Rolls Royce floating center cap type. You know what I mean? Only Rolls Royce got that, and that's the extra large joint too.
And it's a Hellcat.
Yeah, come on, man. Is it hard or is it hard?
Hard, bro.
Yeah, bro. Look at the flicks. Look at that psychedelic in the paint.
Oh, I can see it.
And
I
it got.
can't see it with this camera, but I can see it though.
Oh, that's right. You got to upgrade that phone. You're still a cheap nigga. But anyway, let's come over here.
I got iPhone 10. Relax.
He got the iPhone 4. He got the iPod phone. But you like him though?
Yeah, you cold, bro. I can't wait to see him on the car.
Yeah, thanks. Probably within the next day or two.
Okay, cool.
Jeremy's is done.
I seen his, yeah.
It's joint crazy with the better tires on there now though.
Yeah, it's a little thicker.
Yep.
What's up, bro?
I just wanted to show you. I'm gonna send you a picture though. You can make a video out of it. Go watch my brother's channel right now. You about to make a video about it.
Love you, bro.
All right, dog. My brother's rims taken care of. We are going to show y'all how it looks. Obviously, y'all have already seen it with a little bit of B-roll and everything like that. But now, I'm going to show you what it looks like on my brother. So now, as my brothers is getting, we're waiting for the tires to get here to get them put on the Hellcat. Now, we're getting the Bloody Cat. And yeah, it's time to get this joint on the road, y'all. Hope y'all like it, man. Comment below right now and let me know. What do y'all think about the Hellcat rims? I think it's gonna go together perfectly from how the wrap is all the way to the psychedelic, the front being white, black, and blue, and the other ones being gray, black, and blue. Like, it's gonna be top level. And we got some big stuff coming from my brother's Charger Hellcat too, the Bloody Cat. So make sure y'all stay tuned for everything. And like I said, my brother on this one, he doesn't have the floating ones because this is, you know, the racing lightweight rim that they got for Fort Giotto. And since this is 1,000 horsepower Charger Hellcat, my brother has his whole family in there. I was like, I think it's best that we go with the one that's made for the high horsepower car because I feel really bad if something happens, you know what I'm saying? Even though my brother did want that floating F, I'm gonna let him, because I know he watched this video right now, I know he wanted that floating F. But my brother ain't going to probably do nothing with his, or even if he does, you know, hey man, we'll make it do what it do. And for my brother Jeremy, we also make it do what it do. So make sure y'all just stay tuned. But we all riding on 4Gs, man. It's a blessing to be having this position in life. You know what I'm saying? And definitely for all my people to be feasting the way that they feasting. And shout out to my guys at 4G that made that possible for me, my brothers, and all my dogs to be out here riding on 4Gs, baby. But without further ado, it's time to hop in the Bloody Cat. Let's start it up. Is it gonna work? Let me see. I don't know, because y'all know that joint went dead last time. That joint top level loud, man. One other thing I forgot real quick, man. How could I forget this? I gotta FaceTime my brother Jeremy, because he ain't seen it yet. Not with the new tires and all that. So let's go ahead and FaceTime him real quick.
Look at that motherfucker.
That joint top level, ain't it?
That motherfucker looking chunky, man.
Let me show you the tires is right all the way on there too, brother. Huh? What'd that say? That say the Pirelli Mooks?
Yeah, this is looking nice.
What'd that say? What'd that say on that rim right there?
Oh, they say our last name, brother.
Does it say Barrett?
Hell yeah.
Is that engraved where it says 4G and 4G?
Ooh, look at the red Brembos on the thing.
Oh, come on, brother. You got to get those. That's mandatory on any Hellcat. Otherwise, you might die.
What's up, G Squad? How y'all feeling?
The G Squizzle, as my dog Mr. Organik would say.
That's right. Can't forget the G Squizzle.
Can't do that. But wait, I got more, brother. I got to show you more. I got to show you our little brother's rims, brother.
God damn. Fuck these are funny.
Top level, ain't they? Now, here go the back one right here.
Yeah, those are cold.
Here go the front one, right?
Yeah.
Hellcat, you know, because it's white, and then it goes to the psychedelic gray.
Right.
And then here's the floating Mook right here.
Yeah, those big ones.
Boom.
Got the big boy on there.
The Rolls Royce motherfuckers, man.
Yeah, you smoked it, bro.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it, man. Boy, when I get done with yours, with everything, all the touches like I done with DJs, earth shattering. So we gonna have, all of us is gonna have the most famous Hellcats in the world with the muha-ha-ha with the pinky on the mouth. You know what I'm saying? Pinky in the brain, goddamn Austin Power motherfucker, man. Now we are rolling up to tire stickers. Let's show them what the front of that joint look like. Make sure you come here and get your tire stickers right now and your spray them. Click all links below in the description. ASAP though. But now that we got that understood and everybody knows everything, now we are dropping my brother live with Jeremy Barrett. Make sure you go subscribe for once and the last goddamn time. We are gonna drop this joint off here at Tire Stickers, and we are picking up my brother's Cop Cat, baby. Look at that. Did I kill it or did I kill it? I think I killed it if you ask me, because now we got the Brembos. The Brembos make it pop even more because there's no red on this car other than the interior. You know what I mean? But this matches the wrap perfectly. Blue, white, black with the stars. Come zoom in on this way so they can see the detail of the joint that my guys here at Tire Stickers did. They got the stars in there with the blue stripe that goes through the flag. And y'all know I got the flag, that marathon flag. Rest in peace, Nipsey Hussle. But y'all know he inspired and motivated me, you know, like the song. And no pun intended, but he definitely inspired and motivated me. So I actually wanted to give my brother the same kind of love. So this is paying homage to Nipsey and to all the police out there in the world, you know what I'm saying, that, you know, protect and serve and do their jobs the right way, and they're really good cops, and, you know, we ain't talking about the bad ones. But, yeah, shout out to y'all, man. Now we're going to put this joint up out of here, and, yeah, we're going to head out. Plus, my knees is jagged, boy. I can't sit like this for too long. Shit. So we ran into a little bit of a hiccup. You know, with this car shit, there's always seems to be at least a few hiccups. Nothing just goes goddamn perfectly, right? So my guys over at 4G are gonna come over here to Tire Stickers. They're gonna have somebody, check this out right here. So as y'all can see, we got a little bit of a problem. Zoom in on this joint right here, Sway, and show them. You see all the rubber right here? And it's crazy because when I was driving, I said, man, what did I say? I said, man, am I tripping or is it rubber?
Yeah.
Didn't I say that?
Smelled it too.
Smelled it after a while,
Yeah.
but once we were on the highway. But at first I'm like, maybe I'm tripping, you know what I mean? But always follow your gut, people, because I was like, man, I heard a little bit of something. I'm like, man, motherfucker sound like it's rubber, Sway. And sure enough, once we got on the highway, I could smell the like rubber literally coming off the tire. And come right here, Sway, look right here. You can look under this fender and look at it. This is all rubber. It put like a whole nother groove in the same thing that happened with my dog, Mr. Organik. Same thing that just happened with my brother's Hellcat Charger. It's all right here, like look, that's all the tire. And yeah, We gotta get this figured out ASAP though. But until then, we're gonna leave this joint right here, and yeah, we're gonna get this joint taken care of, and they gonna come out here, they gonna fix it, and yeah, we should be all the way good to go. But that's it for this video, y'all. Nothing really else to talk about, man. We got some big stuff coming with y'all. I was on the phone with my guy, Demonology, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to his channel. We're gonna get some big shit done, man, real soon when it comes to my Hellcat. Even though it's getting wrapped right now, if you haven't checked out that video, make sure you go check that joint out, man. ASAP though, as soon as you get out here, make sure you go subscribe to Love and Slim. Make sure you subscribe to my brother, Officer Jones. Make sure you subscribe to my brother, Life of Jimmy Barrett. Make sure you subscribe to my dog, Mr. Organik. Make sure you subscribe to Reflectionz Details. The list go on and on and on, man. So make sure y'all get all the above. But that's it for this video, y'all. Nothing really else to talk about, man. Tall guy, I'm out. I'll catch you on the next video.